Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your children. I want you to turn your children away from the field right now. All right? Please make sure everything is out